So welcome guys. In this video I'm teaching you how to remove your Gmail from your Facebook account. So right now I'm in my Facebook account, so I'm just going to click on this three icon right here and scroll down to setting and click setting. So I'm going to click on account setting, then it's going to take me to here. Scroll down to where it says personal details. I'm going to click on personal details, and you can see this is my email information, so I'm going to click on it. So this is my email in my account, currently in my account, and this is my number in my account. So if I want to remove the Gmail, I'm just going to click on the Gmail and press where it says delete and press delete. So it's going to ask you they are going to send you a code on your WhatsApp that you are going to apply to this place. So if I wanted to remove my account, my email, I'm just going to type in the code that they sent and press continue. You see, it's telling me this code doesn't work. That means this isn't the correct code. So if I were to remove the account and they sent me the code, and I just copy the code and paste on here and click on continue, the email will be successfully removed. So I'm just going to cancel it. I don't want to remove my email from my account. So that is how to remove your Gmail account from your Facebook. So please like and subscribe so YouTube can push this video to more users who may need it.